Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this makeup look. It's a makeup look that I might wear for my birthday, that's why it's called my birthday makeup look. But if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned and keep watching. So for the preparation of skin before I put my makeup on, I like to go in with a moisturiser and a primer. The moisturiser which I use is the Nivea Soft Moisturising Cream, and the primer which I use is MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to go ahead and apply these to my skin. Not to forget about the neck, as your neck ages too. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead in with my primer once my moisturiser soaks into my skin. If I keep looking down, it's just because I'm looking into a mirror and I can't exactly see what I'm doing unless I do that. So yeah, that's why I'm looking down. The foundation which I am going to be using today is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in shade NC20. I like to apply my foundation with a stippling brush. The one I have is the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick brush. I'm going to put some foundation onto the back of my hand. Going to dip my brush in. Go ahead and start spreading this around my face. So I have that part done. I like to go in with a bit more foundation as I like a quite full coverage, and I use a Real Techniques blending sponge, and then I just tap over my face. Foundation is great too, as it is very buildable. Gives great coverage, which I really like. I'm all about the full coverage life. For concealer, I like to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C2. I like to apply this underneath my eyes, my chin area, my cupid's bow, and the centre of my forehead. Apply that, I like to go back in with my beauty blender and just blend it into the skin. As this is quite a full glam look, I'm going to apply some cream contour to the cheekbone areas, down the side of my nose and to my forehead. Cream contour which I'm going to be using is the Zoeva Concealer Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be using the darkest shade here that's in the palette. I know it looks crazy, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend it out with my sponge again. Okay, so next I like to go with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I just like to apply that all over my face. I apply it all over my face as I find that I usually get oily mainly in my T-zone, but I find that if I don't set the rest of my face as well, my foundation starts to shift and it's really annoying. Okay, for bronzer, I like to go in with the Milani bronzer. I use shade 03 Pekin. I like to take the bronzer on an angled brush and apply it to the contours of my cheeks. Going with the Makeup Revolution one bronzer. I'm not actually sure the shade, as mine's pretty old and everything has pretty much worn off, but I like to go in with a fluffier brush and I apply this to my kind of over my contour and to the outer areas of my forehead and the side of my nose. Okay, for blush I like to take the Morphe 8W palette and I use the shade Witty and I apply this to the apples of my cheeks. I also like to blend it up the way when I apply it. so I feel like it kind of gives your face the lifting effect. Later I am going to go in with my very old Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow. It's I am going to use is going to be this one here and this one, and I'm going to apply this to the highest points of my face. I also started doing something that I seen Mitchell do. Apply the highlighter to the front of your brow. I've started doing that recently and I think it looks really well in pictures. I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll come back and then I'll do the eye look. If you would like to see how I do my brows or how I fill them in, let me know and I'll do it. Okay, so brows are done. They're a bit odd, yes I know, but they're sisters, not twins. For eyeshadow today I'm going to be creating a quite glam look. This might be the look that I wear out for my birthday. This is kind of my birthday makeup look, but let's see how it turns out, and if it turns out good, I'll wear it for my birthday. For eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 25A, I think it's the Copper Spice palette. So for the shade that we're going to start off with will be this one here, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So we're going to apply this colour directly in the crease. Don't worry as well if it looks messy, because we will go back in again with another colour and we'll blend it out. I'm currently just going in and building this colour up slightly, just to get it to the tone that I want. The colour I want, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use, I don't know if you can see this, I'm going to go in and use this shade right here and kind of go 50-50 on the colour and above it. So buff that slightly using circular motions. And then for the darker shade I'm going to go ahead and use this colour here. Apply to the outer corner crease area. Then I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and I'm going to blend the edges. And to darken this look up even more, I'm going to go in with the black shade in the palette and I'm going to add it to the outer corner along. So I have finished blending that out there and I'm just going to ever so slightly drag it in here. Okay, once you're happy with your blend and happy where everything is placed, then you're going to go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm going to use the concealer on a flat top brush, carefully cut the crease. Take this brush and I'm going to soften the edge. I'm going to go ahead and use this colour right here. And I'm going to apply that to the whole area that we've cut the crease. Then I like to go back in with the shade, the brush that had the black on, which there's not really left on. So I like to blend the edge of this. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and complete my other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I know I said that I was going to finish my other eye off camera, but I ended up completing the eyes all together. So I applied a pair of Penny's lashes, also known as Primark. I'm not actually sure the name as I lost the box, so sorry for that. Okay, for lips I'm going to use the Penny's lip liner in the shade Rumour and the Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Illuminaire Shimmer. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so now that my lips are done, I'm going to go ahead and with the MAC Fix Plus spray it all over my face. And just let that soak in. Okay, that is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Go follow me on all my social media. It'll all be linked below. If there's anything at all that you'd like to see, text me on Instagram or comment underneath the video. Last thing, I'd like to thank everyone who showed me such support on my last video. It was such great feedback and I am so thankful. I'll have another video coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.